This is exactly why your old videos stopped getting new views immediately you upload a new video. Let's say you uploaded a video yesterday and today you uploaded another one. This is why YouTube will stop pushing that yesterday video and start pushing today's video. YouTube tends to favor new videos. Do you get? Once you upload a video, you have to give it time. Give that video time. Is uploading consistently does not mean that you have to upload daily. Uploading consistently does not mean you have to upload daily. You have to leave that video to at least reach its peak before you upload a new one. So I was testing, I was trying out a strategy when I got monetized. I was like, I will be dropping video every day. When I started that dropping of video every day, I noticed that yeah, my impression improved. YouTube was showing my video to more people. Me that was having less than 100 views before, I started having more views. It started pushing me out before. But number one, it was at the detriment of my health. I couldn't keep up. I couldn't keep up. After trying for it wasn't up to a week, I think 5 days or 6 days, my health just I had to stop filming every day. Apart from it affecting your health, it's going to even affect your channel. So consistency can be 3 times or 4 times in a week, or even 5 times in a week. It doesn't have to be every day. YouTube test one video at a time. That's why if you post a video and you now post another one on top of it, that whole video might stop getting views. Especially if you're a small channel. YouTube might only be pushing one or two of your video at once. Other videos to just leave it first. Let YouTube first understand your audience. YouTube will just take all those videos, all the before videos, and hold it first. That okay, let me try giving this person a chance with one or two of our video. Let me push one or two of our videos and see if people will like it. If people now turn out very well, that's when YouTube will now start pushing your videos to more people. So you have to give your videos time to mature before you post another video. If your old videos pause, if you stop seeing views on your old videos, don't think that it's because that video is not good enough. Don't feel discouraged because probably you uploaded a new one and the new one is getting all the attention for now. So the old video is going to just wait first. YouTube is going to hold it first and test that new one. Another reason your videos stopped getting views immediately you upload another one is that maybe your subscribers that watch that video, maybe YouTube push your video to your subscribers feed, and once they see it, you upload another one immediately talking about almost the same thing. So your subscribers will be like, oh, she have already explained it. Let's say I made a video on how on use this button to get views, and the next video I uploaded a new video on how I got views with using these settings. My subscribers will be like, oh, maybe she wants to talk about that first one that she made before, and they watch that new one instead of the old one. So that might even stop your videos from getting new views. And this will make YouTube, if all your subscribers are turning up for the new videos instead of old videos, your subscribers see that three of your video is already out within 3 days. And they first watch the first video. After watching the first video, let's say they get tired and they don't watch the other two. That means they're telling YouTube that they should push that first one more. Do you get that new one? Because the new one is going to be obviously the first one that people are going to be seeing. YouTube also favors fresh content. YouTube likes fresh content. So that's one of the reasons. So if you're getting tired or getting discouraged, that anytime I post a video and I post another video on top of it, people will not watch that whole video again. People will not do this, people will not do that. The best thing for you is to just pause for a while. You can just stop posting for let's say 24 hours to 48 hours after posting one video. Just pause first. Let algorithm figure out the audience of your video before you go and put another one on top of it. Unless maybe you have enough subscribers, loyal subscribers that you are sure that even if you breathe, even if you just drink water, even if you just sit down on your video, they will just watch it. That people are just waiting to see your next video. But you that you know that nobody is there for you for now, you have to pause and give it time. Unless maybe you are now at the top. That's when you can now start uploading every day. There are some people that if they upload 5 times in a day, their subscribers will not get, but they'll still keep checking. They even want them to upload, even if it's just to sit down on camera, they just want to see them on camera. So that's when you now start uploading every day. But for now that you're just starting out, don't try uploading every day. I tried it and that's my observation. Algorithm favors new content. It will want to see within 48 hours how that video is going to perform, how that video is going to do. So after like 48 hours, if that video too did not do well, it might go back to the old videos and pick them up and start showing that old video to people more. But within that first 24 hours, that's the most important time of your video. Let it sit, let it wait before you upload a fresh video on it. This is how you can fix it. If you see that all these things are happening to you and you want to keep being consistent, number one thing you can do is you can add cards or end screen to your video. Add cards or end screen to your video. If you had it, that means you are promoting that whole video in that your new video. Let's say I upload a video today and I'm linking my 1 year video to it. I'm putting it in my cart and my end screen. That means I'm promoting that video automatically. I'm reminding people to go and watch that video. So people will get to, some people, even out of 100 people that watch this my new video, they will be like, okay, let me click on how to get this. This person already uploaded the video on how to get maybe 1,000 subscriber. That person will click on how to get that 1,000 subscriber in my cart. Number two is leaving the link of your whole video in your description box. You can say maybe in a video I made how to get 4,000 watch hour now, and I've made a video before on how to get 1,000 subscriber. I know that people looking for 4,000 watch hour might be looking for 1,000 subscriber also. So I will now put it in the description that, and this is also how you can get your 1,000 watch hour in 1 hour or in 5 days. I'll put the link there. People that will check my description will be forced to go and check that video out if they are also looking for subscribers. So that thereby I'm promoting a video I've made days or years ago. Another thing is you can pin a comment of your whole video. If you say that video here, you just want to promote it everywhere, use that video as cat, use it as your hand screen, use it as you pin it in your description, pin a comment about it. You can say, and if you are also looking for how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, this is exactly how I got mine. Check this video. You put the link there. People might get, anybody that goes to that comment section, that's the first thing, the first comment that you are going to see. Thereby you are promoting that your whole video. Another way is that you can create shots from that your video. That video that you think that you've made a year ago or let's say a week ago and it stopped getting views, you can go there and create a short on it. I already made a video on how you can link your short to your long video. Let's say I made a video on how to get 1,000 subscriber last year now, and I want to promote that video again. This year, I can still go back and make a short from it. I don't have to just sit down and start filming another video for that short. I'll just go and take part of that video that is already on my YouTube channel. I already made a video on how you can do that. You can check my channel, you see a video on how you can take part of your long video and turn it into a short and you not get copyrighted. There's a feature on YouTube. You just press it like this. Within 1 minute, you already took part of it to make for short and you're not getting to get copyrighted. You are going to just do it at your own leisure time. No need to start filming again or start editing or recording again for your short. Another thing is don't upload frequently. It's not every day that you'll be uploading. I've talked about it before. If you are uploading every day, you might want to reduce it. If you are just a beginner like me, you might want to reduce it. But if you say that, oh, you are now a pro, you now have loyal subscribers, at least 500 of your subscribers are sure that they watch it. At least, no matter how bad your view is, you still get 500 views from your subscribers. You can go ahead and be uploading every day. But for me, or for someone that does not have at least 10 loyal subscribers, uploading every day. Another thing is you can create a playlist. Create a playlist so that anybody watching one of your video, they watch the next video unconsciously. Instead of YouTube to recommend another person's video, is the next video on your playlist that will play immediately that person finish watching that video in your playlist. So you have to make use of your playlist. So that thereby putting all related video in one file. Anybody that goes into that file is going to binge watch all your content. So this is everything that I said I should come and share with you guys. You know I don't gatekeep here. If you've not subscribed to my channel, you have to subscribe to this channel because I bring you tips on how you can grow on your YouTube channel. You know, it's not even only on your YouTube, on any social media. I just bring tips on how you can grow anywhere. If you want to become a content creator, you have to subscribe to this channel, no matter the niche that you are on. Thank you for always coming back to my video and have a wonderful day. Bye.